Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2026. I am here at Port 32 Marina, and this is slip B55 before video of Ursa Minor. Well, it doesn't look like it'll be an hourly. The zincs, you got one shaft zinc. You have a max prop zinc. It appears to be an 83 millimeter. You also have two transom zincs. They look like they're ZHC5s. I'm going to go ahead and get a measurement on that shaft zinc, and we're going to go ahead and clean it and get all the information in the after video.